Yeah.
This is the 1959 Montgomery Ward's lawn tractor 8-horse, and we supercharged it, as in stupid supercharger. This is basically just run off the crank. It's a heater fan for a house, and this one's straight to the manifold. So we'll just see. This is the first start. I don't know if it's just gonna fling plastic everywhere, but let's find out. Take cover.
It's gonna take forever to wind up. Not the best design.
Supercharger. No air filter. I don't know. It's very, very small import or intake, but
that's good enough for a tractor.
yeah, it's bigger than the stock one. So
bigger than the stock one? What do you mean by that?
the carb is small.
Yeah.
I don't know if we're gonna have tuning issues.
Yeah.
Carburetor.
We're gonna have to tune it if it does do anything at all. Almost halfway there. Oh yeah, we need gas.
So you know, guys, this is already geared up from, what was the gear ratio? 8 to something, and now it's 32 to something. So it goes 4 times faster than it should.
It does about 20.
Yeah, about 20 miles an hour. I don't know. So this whole thing is pretty much just Afro engineered. So
Let's do 3.
aim it towards the road, by the way.
I'm not gonna kick it in the gear. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
That didn't work.
What did you do?
It came off. You know what? Those plastic things in the bottom are hitting and pushing the rope off.
Well, loop around it then.
What?
Put the loop around it.
It's still gonna knock it off.
How?
Like this thing, like when it spins around, it just pushes it off. You know what? I got an idea.
Welder, drill press, miscellaneous intake parts and tools and torches and wrenches and stuff. And we threw this together in about 3 hours. The only thing we bought was a screw and a nut, which was 64 cents, just to screw down the impeller to the crankshaft.
Yep. Something's hitting on this little thing right here is hitting on the impeller.
What is?
When I turn it backwards.
What are you talking about?
This thing right here, that thing.
Oh. Well,
If it like makes loud noise, then that's okay.
washer rubbing against the plastic right here. It'll just wear it out. So
Yeah, good.
this thing is on there. Just made some brackets for it. It's on there, so I don't think it's gonna break off, but I don't think it's really gonna do much. Oh, don't know unless you try.
I don't know if I really want to try it.
Get over and do it.
Well, you're not on the front line. Kind of. We're gonna start something. I'm just gonna hurry up and jam the throttle down.
Why?
So it doesn't explode, I don't know.
Is it primed?
It's hitting it. It's hitting on something.
I hear a tick. I think it's fine.
Stupid washer. Oh, the impeller isn't even spinning. That thing is... Dang it. Okay, take it off. Stop the video.